If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
I'm Holly Baird, and welcome to First Garden New Gardener. You may have heard of rain barrels. Maybe you're not familiar with rain barrels, rain collection, what have you, rain harvesting, some people call it. But it is a very common thing in the gardening world, especially if you have space for it. So there's two different types of rain barrels. There's, well, more than two different types, but these are the two types that we have. There's a typical standard rain barrel. It's made from a plastic container, and it has a spigot on the bottom for drainage. You can attach a hose to it, and then it drains because of the gravity of the water. And there's an overflow hose, so if it rains a lot, it's not going to cause your gutter to back up. What happens is that you take your gutter and you put it here, and you might have to get a shorter gutter downspout or get a flexible one, and then you put it on there, and you can use some duct tape or the pipe tape, the plumber pipe tape, to secure that in. So when you install it, that's what you do. There's a couple different, sometimes you can find these in different colors. This one is obviously white. We do have algae that has grown in it, and that's okay. We're just putting this into our garden. It's not a huge deal if there's algae. If you feel it would be unsightly, you could paint it. Some people paint them to make them look real pretty and cute, whatever. So that's one option when it comes to rain barrels. The other one is this style. And if you live maybe in a neighborhood or a subdivision that they don't want you to have a rain barrel because it's unsightly or whatever, you could get something like this. And to me, it looks almost like something you would put a hose in. Somebody driving by wouldn't notice it as much, but it has this plastic outer shell, and inside is like a big heavy-duty bag, like a bladder. And it has the same thing. It's got a spigot at the bottom, and you drain it through gravity. This is nice for rain collection. You don't have, if you live in an area that you get a lot of rain, you can use that rain to water your garden. Some people will hook irrigation up to it, but then you would have to install a pump. We keep ours pretty simple. Either of them, we just use it to fill up different water jugs and then use it to water our garden containers. Mostly our containers, larger raised beds, things like that. Some people will take the rain barrel and they'll put it up higher, whether it be like some decorative rocks or some sort of stilts. They'll give it some height so that as the gravity comes down, then the hose goes down and they have a little bit more gravity working for them. This is rain barrels. This has been First Gardener New Gardener. I'm Holly Baird. Please be sure to comment, subscribe, and like. For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.